Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we are talking about the strange moment on Instagram when you see a comment that just says null. So what does it mean and why does it happen? So you might have come across this when scrolling through your comments and instead of text, it just says null. So this typically happens due to a glitch or bugs. So here are some of the reasons why this actually happens. So first, the comment could have been deleted by the person who posted it or by Instagram itself. The second reason might be because it might be a loading error, so where Instagram couldn't retrieve the comment properly, or it could simply be a glitch, Instagram's way of telling you something went wrong. So next time when you see null, just know it's not you, it's the application. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.